Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And Alice, recently I've been hearing a lot of kids and even friends and adults saying this word a lot. We. I want the we. 我还以为最近大家都在学法文，你知道吗？
没啦。
那 we 就是 yes 的意思吗？
嘿，游戏机。
哦，你知道啊，游戏机啊。Oh, Alice knows about the Wii. Yeah, it's the Nintendo Wii. Of course, it's a hot item right now. Everybody wants one, and it's really hard to get a while ago. And anyways, the reason I want to talk about this is a lot of kids nowadays play computer games, and it's really fun. But there's a lot of traditional games out there, and I hope kids won't forget about. 其实有很多传统的一些游戏，一些应该算是童玩啊，我们这样子讲。
CC 世界搞个东西啊
CC 世界
搞个东西。
等一下 ，CC 世界是什么？小小世界吗？
没 ，CC 世界在小小世界。
哦，听起来好像
CC 世界就是小时候啦，CC 世界啦。
哦，真的吗 ？CC 世界听起来好像小小世界，好像那个迪士尼乐园。It's a small small world. No 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 no. CC 世界是 when you were little.
错。
哦，小时候呀。小时候我们都会玩一些非常传统的一些游戏，一些童玩了啊。
好，
那我们今天来教把这些回忆给带出来好了，
好啊，
好不好？我记得我以前很喜欢玩什么？我真的很会玩扯铃。It's the Chinese yo-yo. I love the Chinese yo-yo. 扯铃怎么说？
叉郎哎。
叉郎哎。啊，你喜欢什么？
打 kilo 哎。
不，打 kilo
打陀螺。
哦，打陀螺。It's a top. Spinning the top. Okay, that's another traditional game that a lot of kids like to play. 陀螺。哦，还有一个踢毽子，我也蛮喜欢的。
还没有哟。
啊？
踢毛球。
哦，毛球吗？
嘿，那毛茸茸的。
哦，踢毛球，踢毽子 ，it's a shuttlecock。
还有跳绳哎。
跳绳哎，哦 ，that's right， 跳绳 ，jump rope。
错。
这个世界各地大家都会玩到的东西，跳绳呢。OK， 然后
还有
这是什么？哦，沙包。
错。
对不对？沙包。
对，沙包。
对，沙包。就是不是擦扫包，是丢沙包。
哎，用对没啊？
丢沙包就对了。哦，it's Chinese sandbags. So these are some of the games that kids play in the good old times, and I hope kids today, even though you have the Wii, but you should go ahead and get your hands dirty on either a bean bag, a sandbag, a Chinese yo-yo, jumping rope, or even the shuttlecock. That does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.